being dangerous is a bad thing. Have you ever wondered how most criminals choose their victims? What is their strategy according to their confessions? Do you think it's random? Not even close. You see, they choose based on appearances, targeting individuals who seem physically weaker or less likely to defend themselves. They pick the ones that look like they could be overwhelmed and defeated with ease. What does that tell you? Have you ever experienced violence? No matter if you are alone or with your wife and children, you must be capable and dangerous at all times. Too many boys in these modern times are just pussies wearing women's bags and expensive oversized sweatpants, caring only about their selfish needs. They forgot or never even learned what it means to be a man. When talking about a real man, the metaphor of a monster often comes up. But it's not about promoting violence. It's about embracing the full spectrum of a man's capacity, strength and ambition, tempered with wisdom and compassion. I will show you how gaining specific monstrous traits can make you dangerous, impactful, and effective in your life, so you never become an easy victim. But first, you have to embrace your inner monster. You've probably heard too many times that you should be decent and tolerant toward others. They taught you that at home. They told you that in school, and they keep reminding you at your job. The problem with this is that these traits are often used against you, and you may not even realize that. This is yet another trap of modern society, which is so focused on unnatural bullshit. People will make you their doormat if you are too tolerant of their manipulative and aggressive behavior. So where is the line here? Keep in mind that there is nothing wrong with you if you want to defend yourself. This is natural. For a man, accessing your inner monster means tapping into deep reserves of courage and fortitude to stand firm against adversity. It's about stepping beyond social norms and constraints to unleash your full potential. But how would you fight against adversity? Is there something that you might be missing? Ambition. Imagine the raw energy of a man, his eyes burning with purpose. He's not just working for success, he's crafting a legacy. Each challenge is a stepping stone, and each setback a lesson. Ambition for a man is like a fire. Uncontrolled, it can devastate. But when tamed, it warms, it illuminates, and it drives progress. It's the relentless drive that propels men to conquer mountains, build empires, and leave everlasting marks on history. Hence, to every man out there watching, forge your ambition into a weapon of strength. Let it not make you brittle, but instead tempered, stronger in the fire of trials. Cultivate your inner fortress of calm. Let your actions speak to the depth of your resolve. Only an ambitious man can be dangerous. Simply by watching this video, you already show a sign of ambition, evidence that you want to change yourself into something more. Too many people drift through life aimlessly, taking only what it brings them. They sit in their comfy chairs, waiting for opportunities that never come. Eventually, they realize they've wasted so much time spinning in one place. This is due to a lack of ambition. Many of our brothers are distracted daily by so-called life responsibilities, by going to jobs they hate and buying shit they don't need, repeating the cycle until they're exhausted and old. Do you see how this can turn you into a mindless sheep with no aspiration for something more? Do not become a slave for the upper 1%. Ask yourself this: do I have meaningful goals in life? Do I know where I'm going? If not, do not worry, you're not alone. But it's up to you to decide to move forward. Motivational speakers often tell you to set life goals, but these must be broken into smaller parts. Your goals must be short, medium, and long-term. Only this way can you be successful in achieving them. Step by step, goal by goal, savoring every accomplishment along the way. This is crucial because it's in human nature to give up if we set a tough objective from the start. In your journey, ambition transforms dreams into reality, showing that with enough grit and determination, no goal is unattainable. Yes, life is hard, and you'll need a lot of energy to fight for your dreams, whether in business or personal life. Some men will be brought to the ground by life, and they will stay there. But you will endure, because you don't forget to develop one of the most important traits of a man there is: strength. To be dangerous is to be capable. It's having a strength that's not flaunted, but fundamentally understood. Imagine wielding this power with precision. A surgeon's knife, a craftsman's tool, a guardian's shield. It's there, always ready, but only unleashed when absolutely necessary. But how do you achieve this? Listen, all men should put effort into developing their bodies to their full potential. There is simply no excuse to let your body wither away due to the laziness and easy comfort of the modern world. Your goal should be to reconnect your muscles and repair the damage done over the years. Our bodies aren't just for showing off biceps in the gym mirror. Too many people follow trendy bodybuilding and military programs, constantly changing routines without even considering if it's right for them. And yet, some can't even do a single pull-up. Pitiful. You should choose simple, effective training routines that you can maintain long-term, so you can train regularly without any excuses. Now, I'm not saying to never change things up, but don't alter your plan daily just because you saw the next perfect exercise on YouTube. Apart from standard exercise, there's also another crucial aspect of physical training to remember: self-defense. In today's society, knowing how to defend yourself is essential, yet many people neglect this. They feel safe in their bubbles, not realizing it's a false sense of security. Recent history has shown us how quickly a supposed safety can crumble. Think of Spartan warriors, all men trained in the art of war, regardless of their civil occupation. While not every man needs to be a soldier today, everyone should be able to protect themselves and their loved ones. Hard times are coming. That's why martial arts and self-defense training are becoming more popular every day. You may have your doubts, but remember, you may struggle initially, but skills come with experience. Regardless of age, learning how to fight at any point in life is beneficial. However, people often imagine complicated moves that take years to master, but that's not always the case. If you want to learn quickly, you need to start right now. But don't search for that one perfect style. There isn't one. The best fighting art is the one you practice regularly. Only through consistent training will you become savage, and you will rise as a dangerous man, harnessing power for good. Remember, your strength should inspire, not intimidate. It should be a source of security for those around you, not a threat. Strength is your foundation. Your character is your legacy. But it's not enough to just be strong. You must be wisely and strategically strong. Lead by example. Take responsibility for your actions and guide others. Be the man who is dangerous not because he seeks to destroy, but because he has the power to create, to protect, to endure. Walk the path of the wise warrior, armed with the strength of character and the shield of self-control. Let your legacy be one of power, tempered with compassion and guided by wisdom. And as a result, you will rise as a truly dangerous man. Speaking of which, if you want to rise up further, comment below what interests you the most. And don't forget to subscribe for more.